The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 8. Praises of King Yama and his followers. Moreover, when people of Jambudvipa are on the verge of death, I wish to keep them from falling into the evil paths, regardless of whether they have done good or evil. But how much is this power of mine to help them increased when they have personally cultivated good roots? When those who do good in Jambudvipa are about to die, hundreds of thousands of ghosts and spirits from the evil paths transform themselves and appear as the parents or other relatives in an attempt to lead such people to fall into the evil paths. How much more is that the case for those who have done evil deeds? World-honored one, when men or women in Jambudvipa are on the verge of death, their consciousnesses and spirits become confused and dark. They are unable to discriminate between good and evil, and their eyes and ears are unable to see or hear. That is why relatives of those deceased should make generous offerings, recite the sacred sutras, and recite the names of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Such good conditions can cause the deceased to leave the evil paths, and the demons, ghosts, and spirits will withdraw and disperse. World-honored one, if at the time of death beings of any kind have an opportunity to hear the name of one Buddha or Bodhisattva, or to hear a sentence or gatha of a Mahāyāna sutra, I observe that such beings can quickly be freed from the pull of their accumulated minor bad deeds that would otherwise send them to the bad paths. The exception to that is crimes involving killing that warrant fivefold relentless retribution. The Buddha told the Ghost King, Lord of Life, "Because of your great compassion, you are able to make such great vows and protect all beings in the midst of life and death. When men or women in the future undergo birth and death, do not withdraw from your vow, but liberate them all so they gain eternal peace." The Ghost King told the Buddha, "Please do not be concerned. Until the end of my life I shall in every thought protect beings of Jambudvipa, both at the time of birth and at the time of death, so that they all gain tranquility. I only wish that at the time of birth and of death they will believe what I say, so that they can all be liberated and gain many benefits." At that time, the Buddha told Earthstore Bodhisattva, "This great Ghost King, Lord of Life, has already passed through hundreds of thousands of lives as a Ghost King, protecting beings during both birth and death. Only because of this great being's compassionate vows does he appear in the body of a ghost, for in reality he is not a ghost. After 170 eons have passed, he will become a Buddha named No Appearance, thus come one. His eon will be called Happiness, and his world will be named Pure Dwelling. That Buddha's lifespan will be incalculable eons. Earthstore, the circumstances surrounding this great Ghost King are thus. They are inconceivable, and the people and gods whom he takes across are countless."